name is Kevin, and I'm with Huaxing Group. We are button manufacturing from China, Guangdong, and then we make every kind of buttons, including resin buttons, horn buttons, shell buttons, and you can find the buttons right here. Our manufacturer is since 2004. We start our manufacturing, and we make buttons for many big brands such as Uniqlo, H&M, and this is our first time come to Bangladesh for this exhibition. We are very excited about our journey in Bangladesh because our partner Uniqlo, they have a factory in Dhaka, and then we want to expand more partners here. And I find this expo is very exciting. So many customers come here to visit our store, and it's a very nice expo. Hope many people can find us. So for the expo, we want to come here because Bangladesh is a very big market, and I come to this expo. We think we can benefit from this show, and then to get networking, and also to know many new friends here in textile industry. So, and I think this expo has many new things I found here. And then, of course, the environment is also very nice here. I wish more people can know about this expo. Thank you.